Mob armor mounts are made by hand, not by shortcuts. So today we're going to show you behind the build on how we make the Mobnetic Max.
So it always starts off with what we call the housing. All aluminum build, plus that little pocket for 90 degrees of tilt when the product is fully built up. Each housing is inspected and separated into the good pile and the bad pile. Now let's talk about the internals. We start off with a spring, then we do a ball cup, then the ball itself, and then the housing goes right over that. Moving on to the assembly, we put in a tension plate, and we use this special rig to make sure we can push it down. Then we go ahead and install the snap rings. So that finishes the first step until they're ready to be built up. As you can see, for a lot of our products, we use the same housing. So like I mentioned before, we're building the standard Max today. So this process starts by making sure we put in Loctite before we screw on the magnets. Then the top magnets get screwed in, and we always do these in sets of 10. That way when we finish one side, it's very easy to flip over and work on the other side. Plus, it looks really cool when they're fully stacked up like this. Now we move on to packaging. So over here, we've already pre-packaged the Eternals for the alcohol wipes and the instructions. And now putting it in our new box, we'll put the alcohol wipes in the bottom, the foam insert, the Max. And for every standard Max, you get 2 shield plates. These are the ones that go on the back of your phone, and you get 2 mounting discs. These are the ones that go on the dash or on your wall or in your desk. And now we just need to package 1,000 more today.